If you're watching this, you already know something's wrong with the way you're making money in your life. Not that you're broke, not that you're lazy. You've worked all your life. But the cash, it never seems to work the way you want it to. Never seems to move in the direction you want it to. My name's Marc Hamel. Everybody calls me Pepe. A retired volunteer firefighter after 36 years. A long haul driver, a welder, crane operator, and a heavy equipment operator. I've spent decades in the industry, in the trade industry, working myself to the bone. 10, 12, 14-hour days. So I know what hard work really means. And I also know what it's like to have no idea how cash flow really works. I didn't figure it out until my late 50s. Better late than never, right? Why did my cash flow stop? Because nobody told it which way to go. Story of my life for 30 years. Here's what nobody tells you in the trades. You make decent money some weeks. I mean, really decent money. Overtime, bonuses, and on the long hauls, sometimes you make decent money, but there isn't a lot of money in trucking. And then your favorite line is, call me back in an hour. But somehow, at the end of the month, it's just gone. Bills, fuel, whatever gear and tools you need, the house, the kids, and then the grandkids. And if you're anything like me, those five little faces have a way of making your wallet melt. And then you keep thinking, I just need more work, more time, more overtime. The more time you spend away from your family and your kids, the more you seem to miss them, the more you seem to think that it's really just not worth it. More hours, more shifts, more hauls. If I just grind harder, I'll catch up. It's kind of like saying, give me a bigger shovel, I'll dig my way out of this hole. And we both know you won't. I know that now, but I didn't know that then. The problem wasn't how much I was making. The problem was that every dollar I earned was tied to my body somehow. It's always showing up somewhere: your back, your knees, your shoulders, your elbows, your neck, those migraines you wake up with. The second I stopped showing up for that punch clock, all those things stopped too. Just so you know, that's not a cash flow, that's a trap. If you call in sick, you don't get paid. If you get injured, you don't get paid. That's a trap. Since we were all kids, we were all led to believe that get a good education, get a good job, live long, work hard, lots of hours. You'll build yourself something that you can retire on. And as you're getting closer and closer to it, you realize you're going to be stupid short. That system was never meant for you to retire. It was meant to keep you trapped in your work. So honestly, I'm not lazy. I'm tired. I got really tired. The kind of tired that puts you on your knees and really makes you sit down and wonder and scratch your head and wonder, what in the world am I doing? My wife and I of 37 years sat down at the table and had a long discussion. The kind of conversation about what it is we really wanted out of life. Something where I didn't have to maybe do so many hours and still make just as good or better pay. We talked about time we wanted with our grandkids, how we want to travel and do things, maybe go to different amusement parks, have some fun with them. About a playground we wanted in our own backyard so they can play in the activity centers. About time that we wanted for ourselves and each other. About where we wanted to be when the winters come here in northern Canada. When it drops to minus 30, I'd rather head somewhere else. A little warmer, a little nicer. Instead of watching that punch clock or that time clock. So here's what I did next. I started paying attention to people who had already figured it out and started to make a move in the right direction. Certainly not get rich quick shit. I think I should say that. Certainly not get rich quick stuff like crypto or watching some algorithm. I didn't even have a TikTok, for crying out loud. My kids had to help me set that up. But what I did find after failing multiple times was one product. One digital product that I could resell over and over again. It gave me 100% profits. But what I did find was one digital product that I could sell over and over and over again for 100% profits. I had lesson plans that showed me how to build different products from scratch. And I had no tech experience. I had no idea how to do that. But this taught me how to do it. And now I get to resell those products for 100% the profits as well. I found a business that was of my own, that I could build from the ground up, a solid foundation, one that really works. And if you know anything about home builders or home buildings, the foundation is everything. That's what this business gave me, the foundation, the groundwork, the how to's, the scripts, all the shortcuts. Not only that, there were 6 and 7 figure earners, multiple 7 figure earners there to help teach and help you understand how to do it, what to do, and help you grow. That's when I knew I had a winning product. The best part is it allows me to do my daily activities a couple hours in the morning or a couple hours in the evenings. I can do it from at home or if I go on a motorcycle ride. Well, not while I'm riding a motorcycle. I mean, I got to stop, but I can check it on my phone, my laptop, anything I want. As long as I have a digital product, a digital device that I can go online and monitor. Now, there is an AI program in the background that does all heavy lifting for you, does the sales, the collections, everything. That, my friend, is true cash flow, is true passive income, not money in trading time, the money that the money that keeps moving when you stop. I used to say passive income was money you made while you were napping. Turns out I was kind of right. Now, here's the part I love talking about because you know what? It's not what you think. People hear digital income and they think of some kid on the internet dancing around in a hoodie, posting a bunch of BS on social media all day. That's not what it is. What I do is teach people inside my community. What I teach people inside my community is very simple. You take what you already know, your skills, your life experience, and all those lessons you've learned over the years. If you're 40 plus, and you package them all up into skills or lessons that people can use. Those skills are extremely valuable in our community. That's where your income is created. Then you sell it. Not once, twice, as many times as you want. That's how you create 100% once and sold it multiple times, a revolving wheel. And you keep selling it. No inventory, no warehouse, no shipping costs, no driving through a snowstorm trying to make it to work on time at 2 a.m. No boss, no shift, no punch clock. I run my whole operation from home or a local coffee shop. And the best part, I keep the margins, 100% profits. No franchise fees, no overhead, no supply chains. Just me, my laptop, my cell phone, and anywhere I can get the internet. Now, don't get me wrong, I use my same work ethics of getting up early, pushing it hard, all of those that I used to work in the trades. Except for now, I do it on my terms. And the best part, I don't have to wreck my body. I get to play with my grandkids, sit and have coffee with my wife. And my kids, here's something funny. My grandkids think I'm famous because I'm on the internet and they see me. And people on the street walk up and say, "Hey, I seen you on the internet. What are you selling? What are you doing?" So I explain to them. I help people create an income online and then I break it all down for them. They join my school community and they learn how to do it and how to change their life. And look, my grandkids, they're not wrong. I enjoy being on the internet. I enjoy having all this fun. And I'm not looking to sell you anything right now. I mean, there is a link down below if you want to check it out. Make sure you hit subscribe and follow. I'm just a retired guy from Northern Ontario in the Muskoka area who figured out something a little different, a little better game, that there's a better way to create an income and to move money in the right direction. So if any of this sounds familiar, and if you're tired, and if you're tired of all that grinding and working hard all those hours, and you're looking for something different, something that helps change your future, your life, you want to spend more time at home, I've got a free community in school called Income Junkie, where I share everything at no cost, no pressure, all on your time. The links are down below. Check it out. I've got a community in school where you can learn all of these programs and more, how to do it in my community in school. Check out the link below. Make sure you hit like, share, and follow. Subscribe. And if you want to get really deep into it, sign up. Let's change your life. Let's make this a better life. And I'll help walk you through the whole system step by step. In plain language, something that a trades guy could figure out, someone like you and me. So if you don't have it figured out yet, I know I didn't. I guess better late than never is what I say, but I'm Pepe. Hear me now, believe me later when I say I'm rooting for you. And if you want to know more, click ready in comments. The link is there. Check it out. Check out the links in the comments below. I'm here for you.